And welcome back to MS Psych Tutorials. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing us how to play Warzone for new Black Ops 6. And let's get straight into it. So all you have to do is once the update is finished, all you have to do is come over to the home screen, and then from here you can simply select Call of Duty Warzone Season 1. But if it does say install here, and you'll notice that it brings you to this page and it doesn't actually bring you to Warzone, it's because you have to install this specific file. So once this is done installing, once it's basically done installing, you can restart your PC, and then you can go ahead and open up Call of Duty again, and then you can come back here, and then once you click on this, you will be able to play Warzone for Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So it's basically just Black Ops 6 movement and guns, etc. So that is how to play the Warzone. And yeah, that should basically be it. I'm not sure what maps and stuff, but you should be able to play with certain squads, whatever it is, etc. And yeah, that is it for the video. That is how to play Warzone in Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and let's get started. That's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.